The Devil's Bonspiel happens every year around Halloween. It is an open spiel which allows 4 people of any age, gender, or skill level to join as a team.
Good sweeping. Up.
Every team is guaranteed 3 games. It starts on a Friday and ends on Sunday. If you make it to the finals, you get piped out onto the ice.
Never ever.
We have games and activities all weekend long in the warm room, and we provide all the food you need. And of course, we have an open bar.
No sweeping. Hurry!
If you make it to the finals, you get piped out onto the ice.
Hard! Hurry hard! Hard as you can. All the way. Good sweeping.
Playing for a trophy, tied up at 3 after 6, when something bad happened that just about made me sick. I skipped through the hammer to keep them from stealing 3, but my broom tapped the rock. It was burnt, and so were we. Well, my skip, he blew his fuse and left me here standing with my broom in the burnt rock blues. Could point out the fact that this was my first Bonspiel, but I've curled long enough to know that that's not the deal. Sometimes shit just happens, is something that I've learned. Another is that it's over when your stone gets burned. I guess I had to pay my dues and get left standing here with my broom in the burnt rock blues. From Ed, my friend Levi's. Watch out for those rough spots that are out there on the ice, and do not sweep too close to that sliding stone, or else you will be left standing on the ice alone. I'm here to spread the news. Don't get left standing there with your broom